Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to change Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset earpads cups, step by step. To remove these leather-type earpad cushions, you need to put your fingers behind earpads and slowly pull it off. As you can see, the ear cup is held in a little groove. Pulling the pad out of the groove will remove pad from headphones housing. To put the earpad cushion back on, first straighten the edge of the earpad cushion. This will make it easier to put back on. Then look which ear cup is for the left side. The headphone left side is with the microphone. To put the old earpads, or the new replacement earpads cushions back on, you have to put the edge of the earpad into the groove of the headphone housing. Once you have put a small section in, use the fingers of your other hand to hold the inserted section inside, so that it doesn't slip out. While one hand holds it in, use the other hand to pull the uninserted section of the earpad inside headphone housing. At the end, the earpad cushion can be rotated, so that it fits better in place. It looks easy, but some people have a lot of trouble with it. I have received comments that some viewers have even called the suicide hotline doing this process. If you have any questions or suggestions about how to replace Logitech G Pro X wireless earpads, feel free to post questions below this video. Good luck.